How much do you want to grow? What's your number? Do you know it? Hi, Melanie Stover here, co-owner of Home Care Sales, and we help agencies grow. We get calls every day from agencies owners who want to get more. That's what they say. I want to grow more. And I'll say, how much more? And they say, well, more. And they all have really great reasons behind why they want to grow. And I'll say to them, but we need a number. What are you looking for? Because I want to understand, is it realistic? And can I help them get there? So step one in the process is, what is your number? Step two in the process is working it back. What is your plan to get to that number? Do you have a plan? Do you have an agency success plan? One that's going to help you achieve and create a clear pathway to that number. And then thirdly, do you have an implementation guide? So it's one thing to have a plan, but most plans get written and then put up on the shelf. What we excel at is execution, implementation of the plan. So do you have that? If you don't, let us give it to you. We are going to give to you an agency success plan, one that clearly defines and is customized to you, what your growth goals are and how to get there. Second, an implementation guide. This guide will show you the steps to execution so you can achieve your goals. This is not a plan that's going to sit up on the shelf. This is a two-part tool that you're going to take home, give to your team, and watch the execution happen. You want the plan? All you have to do is join us in Las Vegas at the Growth Summit. This is my invitation to you. Come to the Growth Summit. Get your agency on track to grow through the Agency Success Plan and the Implementation Guide. These two documents alone are worth 5 times the cost of the ticket. You can't lose. We have a 100% money-back guarantee. And we invite you to Vegas. Plus, it'll be lots of fun. And we have gifts and prizes. But don't let that be the only reason you come. You want to come because you want to grow and be around like-minded individuals. We look forward to seeing you in Vegas. Go to homecaresales.com and look for the events tab or click on the link for Vegas. See you there.